Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick unboxing today of this case. And yes, this case is both compatible with iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Here we got a manual, which is good to have, just in case you've never owned a case like this before. And here's the case itself. So we can take out this right on the back. We can also take this out. Check the front. Yeah, it's a pretty light case compared to another one that I have from Poetic as well. This one is a little bit more simple. Yep, there's not much rubber around the edges, but it's good enough. And it's got this clear back, which we're gonna appreciate once we put the phone in. Let's just open up the case. Should be able to just take it out. There we go. And of course the inside also protected, so I'm not going to touch that so I don't get smudges on it. So here are the three parts. So it does come with this on it, so it's a screen protector. If you don't want that, you can always go for this one, which just put your phone in and there's no screen protector on this one. So it depends. Now this feels okay-ish. Does feel like it would break, but it is bending pretty nice, so that's a good thing. Sometimes the plastic isn't bendable and it breaks pretty easy. Color wise, this is a darkish silver, and then we have black just all the way around, and it feels like the same texture all the way around the case. So there's not much difference except for these parts where we can just do that. It's different than these parts, which are much tougher. So, and that's the main point. Most iPhones hit the floor usually on the edges, and that's where it gets damaged. So that's why this has to be a little bit tougher than all the other sides, which makes 100% sense. Anyways, let's just get an iPhone inside this thing. So here's an iPhone 12. We're just gonna place that right here. And it should fit just fine. Actually, let's just do this side first. There we go, it's snapping in nice. Do have access to that button, the bottom, and the sides. So it looks fine so far. Now we're just gonna put it in the case. Right, usually the bottom's easier to put on first. And there we go. So it's always easier to put it on than taking off these type of cases, but it shouldn't be that hard anyways. So let me just turn on my phone. Alright, so meanwhile I'm turning on my phone so you guys can see that, let's take a look at the back. So the back, we can see the color of the phone itself. So that's a good thing about this type of case with a clear back, is where you can appreciate whatever color you guys got for your iPhone. Because I know most of you choose a color that you like and we actually never see it because of the case. So it is nice to have one of these clear cases. However, it does protect your phone. As you guys can see, this is plastic over it. Lens-wise, it's not getting in the way, so it's good design. On the side, let's see. Yep, we have access to this. Let's see if I can actually, yep, I can access this. I can turn it off and on. So yeah, volume is working just fine. The key's right there. This right here. Yep. And something that I look for in cases usually is this. So see this gap between this right here, your screen, and this, the case itself, it's supposed to be there. So you want your case to always be a little bit above your screen. And that way, when it falls, the case itself will hit the floor and not your screen first. So I would suggest always getting cases like that go a little bit above, so they actually protect your screen from any damage. On the bottom, we also have this, so we do have access. I don't see it getting in the way of the speakers or anything like that. And when we're looking at the top, yeah, it's not getting in the way of anything there either. That's the screen protector on top of it. Now, with some of these cases that come with the screen protector built in, I usually don't like them because there's too much of a gap between the phone screen and that screen protector that's attached to the actual case. But right now, I can tell you that that isn't the problem here. It's actually very smooth. It's actually working just fine. Yeah, it doesn't get in the way of my touch, and there's no huge gap between the screen protector and the phone screen, which is ideal. Because it can get pretty annoying with those other cases where there's too much of a gap, you kind of see bubbles, or you guys have to press on it a little bit harder than usual to actually touch your screen. But with this one, it's designed pretty well. And you can kind of appreciate that spacing here on the top, where you guys can see those holes. That's where you guys can see the spacing between the screen and the actual screen protector. Now again, I'm just going to show you all the way around the case itself. You do have access to all buttons and the back, which I like the back. So I like this backing a little bit more than others. Now before I finish up this unboxing, I want to show you this other case that I have from Poetic, just to show you a little bit more heavy duty case. Now this one has more rubber to it. Now see these things? And this one feels a lot more sturdy but it covers the back of your phone. So if you get a case like this, you're never gonna see the color of your phone because this will just take over. But it's more heavy duty. It feels a lot more tough than this one right here. This one's good enough for everyday use, or even if you drop it a few times. This one, I would say, maybe if you travel more, there's more chances of your phone getting hurt. Then use a case something like this. For everyday use, then this one is ideal because you do have the bumpers here on the sides, which is the most important part, and everywhere around it, it's thick enough to protect your phone. Anyways, that would be it for this video. That's the unboxing for this amazing case, which I really like, appreciating it. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.